Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency mining. If you've ever wondered how to mine cryptocurrencies, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's briefly explain what cryptocurrency mining is. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of validating and verifying transactions on a blockchain network, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they are rewarded with newly minted coins. The first step in mining cryptocurrencies is to ensure you have the right hardware and software. You'll need a powerful mining rig, which consists of multiple high-performance graphics cards, GPUs, or specialized mining hardware called ASICs. Additionally, you'll need a stable internet connection, a mining software, and a cryptocurrency wallet to store your earnings. Choosing the right cryptocurrency host. Next, you'll need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to mine. Bitcoin and Ethereum are popular choices, but there are many other options available. It's important to research the profitability, mining difficulty, and potential returns of each cryptocurrency before making a decision. Host. Mining on your own can be challenging, especially for beginners. That's why many miners join mining pools. A mining pool is a group of miners who combine their computational power to increase their chances of earning rewards. By joining a mining pool, you contribute to the collective effort and receive a portion of the rewards based on your contribution. Once you've chosen a mining pool, it's time to set up your mining software. There are various mining software options available, such as CG Miner, BFG Miner, and Easy Miner. You'll need to configure the software with your mining pool's server address, username, and password. Make sure to follow the instructions provided by your mining software and pool. After setting up your mining software, it's essential to monitor and optimize your mining operation. Keep an eye on your hardware's temperature, power consumption, and hash rate. Adjusting the settings, such as fan speed and overclocking, can help optimize your mining performance and maximize your earnings. Lastly, let's talk about security considerations. Cryptocurrency mining can attract hackers and malicious software. Ensure you have up-to-date antivirus software and a firewall to protect your mining rig. Additionally, be cautious of phishing attempts and only download mining software from trusted sources. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to mine cryptocurrencies. Remember, mining can be a complex and resource-intensive process, so it's important to do thorough research and understand the costs involved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy mining! Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy mining!